बिरला ऑडिटोरियम में मनाया गया गोविंदपुरा स्थित वेदांता इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का वार्षिक उत्सव। संस्कृति कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि श्री राम कुमार वर्मा पूर्व सांसद रहे, जिन्होंने बच्चों की खूबसूरत परिस्थितियों के लिए उन्हें बधाइयाँ दी एवं जीवन में शिक्षा के महत्व पर प्रकाश डाला। डायरेक्टर श्रीमती नेहा यादव ने बताया कि सभी कक्षाओं के बच्चों ने सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों पर प्रस्तुतियाँ दी। संस्था की प्राचार्य डॉक्टर योगिता जोशी ने वार्षिक रिपोर्ट का वाचन किया। इस मौके पर मुख्य अतिथि ने विद्यार्थियों को विभिन्न श्रेणियों में पुरस्कृत किया। मुख्य अतिथि ने अपने उद्बोधन में विद्यालय की शिक्षा प्रणाली की प्रशंसा करते हुए छात्रों को अपने कौशलों का विकास करके समाज और देश की प्रगति में योगदान देने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया।
Princess Rathod, second was by Divyanshu Shekhawat, and third rank was grabbed by Jitesh Chaudhary. From class first, Tanishq stood first, Apurva stood second, and Nishant Kumawat and Dhurvi Shekhawat stood third. From class second, first rank was grabbed by Bhumika Kanwar, second rank was grabbed by Diva Shah Khan, third rank was grabbed by Rakshita Jat. From class third, first rank Jaya Dikshit, second rank goes to Manashvi Lakhmira and Kanishka Singh. Third rank goes to Hemveer Soni. From class 4th, first rank Daksh Kumawat, and from second rank was Vishakha Sharma, and third rank goes to Chaitanya. From class 6, first rank goes to Urvija Shekhawat, second rank Garvit Sharma, Sneha Kanwar stood on third position. From class 7th, Arav Chaudhary got first position, Samriddhi Gaur secured second position, and Drishti Rawat secured third position. From class 9, Shreya Prajapat stood first, Tamanna Rohila stood second, and Goranshi and Sakshi stood third position. We are moving to legendary casting of our Students' Council. In the series of the casting of the investiture ceremony, it was held in July 2024. Acknowledging the leaders of the school, it was indeed a great pleasure for the young achievers. Principal and teachers nominated leaders from the different houses of the school, and as follows: Head boy Yashmit Sharma, Head girl Tamanna Rohila, Sports Captain Akshat Sharma, Language Captain Anvi Janu, Deputy Head boy Suraj Chaudhary, Deputy Head girl Zoya Shah Khan. We organized various curricular activities like Save the Bird activity in our school campus with great zeal and zest by the children. In plantation activities, students planted many plants and saplings in the school premises and gave the message to go green. On September 5th, 2024, we celebrated Teachers' Day in school premises, and all the staff members offered tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. School management organized a picnic for teachers at Gulabgarh, where teachers enjoyed a lot. Hindi Divas Pakhwada was observed on 14th September. The students performing various activities like debate, Hindi speech, poem recitations, quiz sessions conducted on the stage during the assembly. Before summer break, we organized 1 week summer camp in the school premises. The students participated in various activities like spoken English, craft wonders, martial arts, sports, dance, etc. It was a wonderful experience for all the students, and it was a free of cost camp for the students. And the complete cost of the camp was borne by the management. On 2nd October, the first birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi was observed as Swachhata Abhiyan in the school. The students cleaned the school and the nearby surroundings. The school also organized rally by senior students in the nearby areas. The students gave the message of Swachhata Abhiyan through their slogans and posters. In last week of October, we celebrated Diwali with great enthusiasm. The students participated in various activities like diya decoration, thali decoration and rangoli making, etc. Gifts and sweets were distributed by the management. A vital part of growth of students depends on their participation in school competitions, and we at Vedanta International School believe that such participation leads to an overall development of an individual. Our students participated in various competitions such as storytelling, cooking without fire, creative writing, poster making, cultural activities like diya decoration, bandarwal making, rangoli making and sports competitions. It gives me a great pleasure to inform you that they have emerged as many fields. As a part of learning and enjoyment, the school organized educational visits and picnics to the students. Our students visited Biodiversity Park and Fun Kingdom. In the addition of sports, our school students won many trophies and medals in karate. We are very happy to share with you all that Radhika, student of class 9, has secured black belt in karate this year. Nihal Singh and Varun has already secured black belts. In the series of Karate League in SGFI district level, Radhika won gold medal, Ritendra Singh Rathod and Mudit Sharma won silver medal, and Radhika is selected for SGFI national trials. In Karate Mahakumbh season 3, Vansh won the gold medal and cash prize of ₹2,000. Varun Chauhan and Nihal also won gold medal and Ayush won silver medal. In Viper Cup Open National Karate Championship, Deepika won gold medal, Ritendra Singh won silver medal and Vedansh won bronze medal. We have strong team of dedicated and well-qualified teachers who always give their 100% for the welfare of the students and the organization. In keeping with the school's policy of continuous upgradation of knowledge and skills, our teachers attended various workshops and seminars organized by the school. Workshops were based on emotional intelligence, effective classroom management, stress management, managing work life, new dimensions of NEP, effective communication skills, and time management, etc. This year we introduced Abacus for classes prep to class 5th. It is a new fun way maths learning and a capacity building program. It enhances logical understanding and numerical memory. Students successfully completed their first level program and received medals and certificates. Now second level is going on. Again, we are happy to announce that last year we have also introduced Scout and Guide for the students of our school, in which one primary camp of Komalpad and secondary camp Dhruvpad is completed, and now we are proceeding towards the third residential camp. We are very happy to share with you that we also have launched e-magazine on our school website, in which we have activities and events of the whole year done by the students. I quote Mahatma Gandhi, "Live as if you will die tomorrow, live as if you will die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever, learn as if you were to live forever." We believe that the quality of our thinking determines the quality of your mind. We believe that quality of your thinking determines the quality of your mind. Some milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. We wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed efforts of a committed team called Vedanta International School, and undoubtedly all these were never possible without the cooperation and support of the management and the parents. I would like to conclude my quoting our school motto, learn to lead. The motto of our school is learn to lead. We see potential leaders in every child studying here, and through the parent-teacher interactions, we hope to tap each one's potential for their benefit. I would like to thank the management, staff members, and my team who have been the reason why we have been able to organize this event today. A special thanks to our dignitaries for gracing this occasion, and a big thanks to our dear parents. Without your cooperations, this event could not be imagined. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
आज मैं समझता हूँ कि मेरा सौभाग्य है वेदांता इंटरनेशनल स्कूल जयपुर की तरफ से आज इनका जो एनुअल फंक्शन हुआ है उसमें बच्चों की जो प्रस्तुतियाँ दी हैं वो बहुत गजब की। तो मैं उन सबको बधाइयाँ भी देता हूँ। और बच्चों ने राजस्थान की कल्चर से क्या हमारी भाषा कैसी है, हमारे खाना कैसा है, तो मुझे लगता है कि राजस्थान की कल्चर को देखते हुए जो कार्यक्रम दिया और गतिविधियां जो यहाँ डायरेक्टर महोदय के माध्यम से जो हो रहा है वो अति सुंदर रहा। बधाइयाँ देता हूँ, इनको धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
जिस तरह आज बच्चे मोबाइल को लेके हैं, ड्रग्स लेते हैं, इनको किस तरह मतलब अपने स्कूल का माहौल सही होना चाहिए, अपने घर का होना चाहिए, किस तरह आपके विचार?
देखिए, बच्चे की क्या पाठशाला प्रथम हमारी परिवार होता है, माँ होती है, उसके बाद में स्कूल है। तो मैं देखता हूँ कि ऐसी संस्थाएं जो आज मैंने यहाँ पर देखा, उससे लगता है कि आने वाले अगर इस तरह की संस्थाएं जो संस्कारों के साथ में, आधुनिकता के साथ में अध्यापन का कार्य उनको करा रहे हैं, तो मैं समझता हूँ ऐसे अध्ययन करने वाले बच्चों से आने वाले समय में जिस तरह की ये कहीं न कहीं नैतिक मूल्यों में कमी आई है, बच्चों की आदतें खराब हो रही हैं, वो नहीं होंगी और देश के लिए, समाज के लिए, प्रांत के लिए वो सुखदायक होंगी। मैं ऐसा समझता हूँ।
Let's move towards the next category of awards, Future Choreographer Award, which is for best dancers, but also to know the students who have excelled in different criteria.
Success always comes with a prize, and the prize is hard work, dedication, and sacrifice. To present the award now, I request our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Director Sir and Ma'am. Let's welcome them with a big hand.
जी मैं बताएं आज आपके बच्चों का
आज ये बहुत ही बड़ा इवेंट है हमारे लिए, एनुअल डे इवेंट संस्कृति आर्ट लीगेसी, जिसको हम आज बच्चों ने बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्रस्तुतियाँ दी और मैनेजमेंट की वजह से ही आज ये संभव हो पाया कि हम लोग आज इस मंच पर सभी बच्चों को लेकर उपस्थित हो पाए। और ये मैनेजमेंट की उच्च शिक्षण जो नीतियाँ हैं उसी का असर है कि हम बच्चों को एक अच्छी गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा यहाँ वेदांता इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में मुहैया करा पा रहे हैं और बच्चे एक अच्छे भविष्य की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। धन्यवाद। लगभग 350 बच्चों ने प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट किया है। जैसा कि हमारे आज एनुअल फंक्शन का नाम था संस्कृति आर्ट लीगेसी, तो हमने पूरे संपूर्ण भारत से समस्त राज्यों को लेकर, जैसे बच्चों ने पंजाबी डांस किया, बच्चों ने गुजराती डांस किया, राजस्थानी घूमर किया, साउथ इंडियन डांस भी बच्चों ने किया। तो हमने लगभग सभी स्टेट्स को लेकर एक सांस्कृतिक धरोहर को संजोने की कोशिश करी है।